Tired of chasing breakouts only to get whipsawed by a pullback? Here's a smarter way to trade the trend and ride the retracement. This strategy works only in a clear trending market. First, we use the custom indicator BBands Stop V1 to spot trend direction. When the line is below price and colored chartreuse, trend is bullish. When it's above price and orange, trend is bearish. Second, we use the EMA Crossover Signal with a 5-period EMA and 10-period EMA to catch the entry.
By rule, trend bullish, BBands stop line below price and chartreuse. Wait for price to retrace toward that line. When EMA crossover up arrow appears, enter long.
Sell rule, trend bearish, BBands stop line above price and orange. Wait for retracement toward that line. When EMA crossover down arrow appears, enter short stop loss, place just beyond the BBands stop line, below for buys, above for sells. Exit, close trade when opposite EMA arrow appears. Risk management is crucial. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade, and only use this strategy when the market is trending, not during sideways chop. Always verify that higher swing highs lows in a buy or lower highs lows in a sell are forming before pulling the trigger. If you're ready to trade the trend and time your entries on retracements instead of chasing price, head over to forexmt4indicators.com to download the free indicator and template Trade Smart. Stay in the trend, not against it.